So this is the current construction project going on behind my apartment. How do I zoom out? Oh. Zoom in. What looks like they're doing is they are building a trench and then filling it full of those rocks that I showed you guys the other day. I don't know why, but they seem to be doing it. Let's see. You guys can see that right where my finger is, there, and then it cuts and goes that way. See? And there's a bunch more rocks. And really pretty water. Saw sounds, apparently. Right. But yeah, they've been doing this construction thing for a while now, and I don't exactly remember what it's called. But farther down there, concrete bridge, and it went across the bed of the thingy, and there were concrete stairs up and down each side of the canal bed. It was actually really pretty. I never got the chance to go explore, which is really too bad, and I think I have the zoom on naturally. Darn it. But it was really, really pretty, and the bridge was all broken, and it was all worn. It was all really cool looking. I never got a chance to go down onto the bridge, which is really too bad, because that would have been really fun. Gosh, they're loud. But my dad and I climbed down one spot, down a drain thing like that, and we did it just right so we didn't fall and hurt ourselves. And we climbed down into the bed, and I ran around like a 3-year-old at the beach because it was sand, and they are loud. Looked around for a little bit, and then I climbed back up the hard way. Got sand in my pocket with my other camera, but that one still works fine, but that was fun. And you can see all the tracks and the dirt of the bed of the canal, which is really too bad, because it was really pretty. When it's full, it's really, really pretty. I don't know if you can actually hear me. They're really, really loud. I'd like to know what they're doing. That is a lot of rocks. But actually, the whole reason I came out here before I even knew they were doing this was I heard this weird sound. And then my bedroom shook. And so I'm like, oh my god, what's happening? Are we having miniature earthquakes again? And so I finished my shower as fast as I could. Threw on something by that time it was done, because it would do it for a few seconds and then it'd stop. Then it'd do it again. And so I came out here and I'm like, okay, what the heck is going on? And there's nothing, and I see this. Like, okay, that's not making the noise. So I walked down a little bit, the edge of my building over in this area, and there's a fridge on the patio. And I'm like, okay, that could cause it. Finished my shower really fast for a fridge being removed. How pathetic is that? Jumping to the rocks. I'd like to know exactly what the purpose of this V thing is. Because I don't know. But it's cool to watch. That's good, right? Look at that axe. It's also really bright out here, so I'm going to end this now and go inside where it's not as bright. Okay.